We do our best to verify that the information we are sharing in our videos are true and correct. If you wish to deep dive into the topic, our sources are posted on the description box below. Ginkgo biloba has many health benefits. It's often used to treat mental health conditions, Alzheimer's disease, and fatigue. It's been used in traditional Chinese medicine for about 1,000 years. Ginkgo contains high levels of flavonoids and terpenoids, which are compounds known for their strong antioxidant effects. Years of research shows that ginkgo extract can reduce markers of inflammation in both human and animal cells in a variety of disease states. Multiple studies in humans revealed Ginkgo biloba's protective effects on heart health, brain health, and stroke prevention. Research shows that ginkgo can help protect against cognitive decline and increase brain function, particularly for people with Alzheimer's, dementia, or vascular problems caused by cerebral infarction. Ginkgo is considered very safe and unlikely to cause any side effects, but you should not take it if you are taking blood-thinning drugs like aspirin and warfarin. We've done some research, and based on the following criteria: reputation of the brand 40%, quality, effectiveness, and safety 40%, and value for money 20%, here's our list of 3 best Ginkgo biloba brands. Third in our list is Nature's Bounty Ginkgo biloba. It contains 120 mg of Ginkgo biloba extract. It is non-GMO and made in the United States. Second in our list is Piping Rock Ginkgo biloba standardized extract. Aside from 120 mg of Ginkgo biloba extract, it also contains 40 mg of Bacopa monnieri extract, which is also a powerful memory enhancer. This supplement is also non-GMO and made in the United States. Unlike other Ginkgo biloba supplements on the market that are overpriced, this particular brand is super affordable. What we particularly love about Piping Rock products is that aside from reasonable prices, they also offer 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not 100% satisfied with any Piping Rock product, simply return it within 1 year of purchase for a full refund. After 40+ years in the natural products industry, Piping Rock has found the secret to making quality nutrition and skin care products more affordable than ever before. Their state-of-the-art supplement warehouse enables them to manage formulation, testing, manufacturing, quality control, packaging, and shipping all under one roof. By eliminating expenses related to outsourcing, distribution, and retail locations, they dramatically lower their operating costs without sacrificing quality. They are proud to pass the savings directly to you. By delivering the highest quality at low prices, Piping Rock makes nutritional well-being accessible and affordable for everyone. Save $5 on orders under $40 and $10 on orders $40 or more. Just enter the rewards code DPH486 during checkout. This code does not expire, and you can always use it every time you purchase something from Piping Rock online store. For complete product info, updated price, possible discount, and consumer reviews, click the link on the description box below. And the number 1 in our list is Green TR Ginseng Plus Ginkgo biloba. This brand combines the power of Ginkgo biloba and Korean red ginseng. Korean red ginseng has been used for thousands of years to boost energy and alertness. It comes with 60-day money-back guarantee. As of creating this video presentation, it is rated 4.5 out of 5 with 626 customer reviews on Amazon. For complete product info, updated price, possible discount, and consumer reviews, click the link on the description box below. For more tips and latest news on beauty and health, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. If you've learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For questions, suggestions, feedback, and corrections, feel free to comment down below. We appreciate your support in advance. It makes us more inspired to create helpful, informative content.